Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing today? I believe you are doing good. So as for me, I'm good. I thank God. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, do so by hitting the red subscribe button, okay? Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So I share spiritual way that will help your spiritual life to grow spiritually. So if you love any of that, subscribe, okay? So in today's video, as I already see from the title, I'm going to be talking about how to overcome setback spirits, how to overcome going back to square one spirits. If you experience any of that, this video will help you by the grace of God. This is what you have to do, okay? You have to know that we're going to make use of broom. Yes, a local broom. If you can get it, fine. It's sold in the market, local market. It's sold, if you are not in Africa, you can get it online. It's actually in Amazon. It's in eBay. You have to get unused clothes. And you have to get ready to be naked. These are the three things that you have to do. Get ready to be naked. Get a broom, yes, and you have to get unused garments, unused clothes. Make sure it's unused. Nobody have used it before. So all these are very easy to get. It's only the broom that I know it may be hard for you, but you have to order it online, because most of the work, the spiritual tips I've shown in this channel, I've shown how to use African local broom. So if you know you really need this, you have to check for it, okay, order for it. So the spirit of backwardness is not what we want. Everyone wish to be going forward. There are many people that maybe things are working for them, all of a sudden it start working for them. They will see themselves going back to square one. That spirit is a backward spirit. It's an attack, a serious attack on your breakthrough. Most times if you find yourself having dreams of, you're always dreaming of seeing yourself in the village. That spirit, that dream is a very bad one. If you find yourself seeing yourself in the village, that spirit is actually dragging you back to square one. If you dream of seeing yourself when you were little, that kind of dream is not good. It's actually a setback dream, a setback spirit. If you find yourself playing with a masquerade, or if you see a masquerade in your dream, that is a bad one. It's a backward spirit. Some people, after seeing that dream without doing anything, after dreaming those things, they will just see things working very bad for them. Maybe if you are doing well before, things will just start going down. Although dream is actually good. If you don't dream at all, pray very well for God to be showing you dream, for you to be dreaming, whether good or bad. Bad dream is actually good. It's good for one to dream bad dreams, because you have to see those things that are yet to come, so that you know what to do to overcome those things. The good one is actually good. When you dream those good ones, make sure you back it up with prayer, so that it will come to pass. If you dream good dreams without praying for it to manifest, it will not come to pass. So negative forces may pull it down, and those dreams will not come to pass. So you always have to pray at the end of any dream, whether good or bad. If you find yourself in your school, maybe your primary school, your secondary school, in the college or high school, if you find yourself dreaming like that, then you know it's a backwardness. You have to do the right thing. That is what we are going to be doing today. After getting those items I mentioned, you will have to do it at midnight. The midnight can be anything from 12 o'clock, 12:30 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., that is the end. Why midnight? Is because evil forces operate at midnight. Most of all these witches, occultic people, whatsoever, they operate at midnight mainly, when people are at rest. That is the weakest time, of everyone. Whenever they are sleeping, that time they are not active. So the evil people, they use this time, this midnight, to attack people. Mostly people dream bad dreams at that time. People's glory are being taken around that time, mostly, especially if you are not spiritually strong. If you are not spiritually strong and you just go to sleep, when they want to attack, they will get you. Get a broom, get unused clothes, okay? Then get naked. Yes, you can do it in the sitting room when no one is there. You can do it in your bedroom when no one is there. Place the broom on the floor, the local broom. This is a local broom. This is the one I use at home, okay? I have so many types. I have it like 2 or 3. This is very easy in this part of the country, in Africa. As you are naked, step on it. Remove all your garments, everything you are wearing. Remove the ring, even if you are putting on wedding ring. If you are a woman, remove ring, remove jewelry, or everything you are putting on, just remove it. If you are putting on wig, remove your wig. But if you are putting on a weave on, you made your hair, you can leave it. So just remove everything, just appear natural. Stand on the broom, on the floor. Just stand anywhere you are. Keep the broom on the floor. Stand on the broom. Then use the unused clothes. Be rubbing yourself as you are praying. Use the clothes that you have not worn before, or anyone, a new one. Rub from the head down. Stand on the broom and be praying. Be rubbing yourself with the unused clothes and be praying. Pray that God deliver you from any setback spirits, from every spirit of going back to square one. Be rubbing your body as you're saying it. Pray that God deliver you from every uncleanness, from every spirit of setback, anything that will make you to go back to square one. Or if you are passing through difficulty already, pray that God deliver you from this setback spirit, that you want to go forward in life. You want to rise and not to come down again. You know, even if you are a man, be naked. Make sure as you are doing this, you are not on your period. Make sure you didn't meet a man before making use of this. Any day you want to do this, do not have sex. Do not meet any man. If you are a man, do not meet any woman. Ask for God to deliver you from setback spirit, from dreams of going back to square one. Because those dreams may actually come in reality. As like most people, when they dream like this, it comes to pass. Most people, God reveals things for them through dreams, things that are yet to come, and tell them that this is the time to get ready to fight. This is the time to be spiritually active. But most people, after dreaming those things like that, they will not take it so serious. They will just say, it's just a dream. I'm no longer in my formal school. I've passed that stage. Don't say that, okay? The dream may not mean that you go back to the village, but it is a setback spirit. Even if you are not in a village, any country you are, maybe you are progressing, you may actually find yourself going back to square one. Demotion. You won't have any contract anymore, no promotion. Some people will just start begging for food. So you have to take this work seriously. Do it yourself and it will work for you. So when you are done praying, okay, when you are done praying, then you step down from the broom. Step down from the broom, yes. Then you burn the garments, the clothes you're using, rubbing yourself, burning with the broom. After burning it, you trash it away. You can trash it anywhere. You just trash it away and everything will start moving well for you by the grace of God. And this is also another way to cancel any bad dream. If you dream of all those things I just mentioned, you have to break it, destroy those dreams by doing like this. You can do it just 20 minutes out of, from 12 to 3. You can bring out 10 minutes, you can bring out 15 minutes, you can bring out 1 hour. Just do it, and this is a strong way to set yourself free. Yes. You can, after burning that, it turns to ashes. You can decide to go to the river, where water is flowing, just pour it there. It may not turn to ash, okay? Just burn it and see that everything has burnt. Then you allow it to cool, then trash it in the dustbin or anywhere you want to trash it away, no problem. It's no longer relevant. The most important thing is that you have You know, you have set yourself free. You have destroyed those evil things that is working, making you to go back to square one, destroying your future. Thank you so much for watching. God will surely bless you, meet you according to your needs. God will grant your requests, and every bad thing working negatively in your life will be destroyed. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you have not done so. Give this video a thumbs up, okay, and share it as well. Remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.